Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create such type of part in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. But before continuing further, it is requested that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. So sketch on front plane. Now draw a center line. Start it from origin horizontally. Now press escape button. Again select line and draw a sketch like this. Now define it by smart dimensions. So this distance is 5 millimeter. This distance is 18. This is 3. This is 20 and this is 8 millimeters. Now define diameters and bores. So first of all, this bore diameter will be 91 millimeters. Diameter of this point will be 112 millimeters. 112. This diameter 185. This diameter 530. And this diameter 463 millimeters. Now zoom in, press and hold Control key, select this point and then this origin. Release Control key and then select relation make vertical. Now our sketch is fully defined and it is ready for revolved extrusion. So now click on Features tab and then select Revolved Boss Base command. Press OK button. Now select this face and then select Sketch. Make normal to and draw circle. In the left side, select for construction geometry and press OK button. Now draw another circle. Define it. One 3.5 millimeters and define the circle. 498 millimeters. Now click on Features tab and then select Extruded Cut command. drag this arrow and press OK button. Now zoom in, click on this arrow below the linear pattern button and then select circular pattern. Click on this box, features to pattern, and then select this hole. Now click on pattern axis and select this circular edge. Type here the quantity, which is 12. Press OK button. Now we need 2 more circles just between both of these holes. So for that, again click on this face and then select sketch, make normal to. Now draw a circle, start it from origin to the origin of the circle. In the left side, select for construction and press OK button. Now draw a center line and start it from this origin to the origin of whole part and add it at this point. Now use trim entities command and trim rest of the circle. Draw another circle in the quadrant of this arc. Define it. 12 millimeters. Now click on Features tab and select Extruded Cut command. Press OK button. Again use Circular Pattern command and select this circle. Now pattern axis, select this circular edge, quantity 2, press OK button. Once again click on this face and then select sketch, make normal to, draw a circle, start it from origin. Similarly for construction geometry, press OK button. Draw another circle. Now define them. PCD is 290 millimeters and drill size is 16 millimeters. Press OK button and then extruded cut it. Again press OK. Use circular pattern command. Now click on pattern axis and select this circular edge. Quantity is 4. Press OK button. 2 more circles are left, so again click on this face and then sketch, make normal to, draw a circle for construction geometry and press OK button. Another circle, one on this quadrant point and second on this quadrant point. Now define them. PCD is 145 millimeters and drill size is 5 by 8 inch. Press escape button. Now select both of these circles and make relation equal. Now sketch is fully defined. So click on Extruded Cut command from Features tab and press OK button. So our this part is ready for manufacturing. Thank you very much for watching and sparing time.